Tu jestem Kazimierz, pokaz na lotnicze w Ocean City. Zobacz.
That dream across the sea. Then they signed their names for something.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, watch as the solo pilots come from behind and overhead to execute the breathtaking crossover break.
Podobało się? Teraz idziemy Podobało się? Za głośno?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, have your cameras ready for a picture of formation flying at its finest. From the right, the 2014 Diamond Pass in Review.
We're not taking a picture, we're taking a video.
Just as free.
Podobało się?
Our solo pilots are once again inbound for a high-speed head-on pass. As they cross at show center, watch for them to climb sharply, then reverse course in a split-S maneuver to cross again with a knife-edge pass.
Leci tu.
To your left, you'll see the Thunderbirds once again in trail formation. Watch closely as they perform one of the most difficult maneuvers, the trail to diamond roll.
Gdzieś tam jest, tam.
That was Thunderbird 6 demonstrating the tactical surprise of the F-16.
I know, right?